are identical, these three are identical. You get the idea. There's lots of what are product URLs that have identical page titles. Interestingly, if we select the duplicate title filter in Screaming Frog, it's telling us we don't have any. Why is this? This is an interesting issue that might elude some new SEOs. So if we go back to all and we have a look at these duplicate page titles, we'll see here, if we go across, that two of them are marked as non-indexable and one is indexable. So potentially this looks like it might be okay. And this is why Screaming Frog is not including these titles in its duplicate report, because it will only include duplicate page titles where multiple versions are indexable. So why are these pages not indexable? If we go right a little bit, we can see in all cases here where we've got duplicate page titles that 2 out of the 3 is canonicalized to hopefully the indexable version. So they're non-indexable. My challenge to you now is to think about what are the potential problems with having the same product on multiple URLs linked to within the website, even if they are correctly canonicalized. So we've been over in quite a lot of detail canonical tags and indexing, so we should have the knowledge now to answer this question. So we're trying to think, why might there be an issue even if the products are correctly, the URLs are correctly canonicalized, if we have it set up so Screaming Frog can find all of these individual page titles? What kind of problems might this cause? Pause the video, have a think, and then we'll go through the answer together. Welcome back. Don't worry if you did get stuck on that question. It is a particularly advanced SEO question, but congratulations if you arrive at the same conclusion we are about to now. So if we have a look at our different product URLs here, one thing we will notice is that the indexable version is just the /products version of the URL. So in all of the cases where we have 3 identical page titles, we have a /products version, then the name of the product, and the other 2 variations are where the product, which is also at the end of this URL here, is within a collection. So you'll see collections, they're in the sale collection, it's also in the dual reversible dog harness collection, and then the name of the product. So what this site is trying to do is tell Google, okay, just this /products version in all instances is the one that we want indexed, and we don't want you to index the collections version. We want you to consolidate any link equity to these pages. The key concept and reason behind the issue is that canonical tags, remember, are a hint, not a directive. Google uses many signals to work out what a canonical URL should be, and because we are internally linking to non-canonical pages, and we know they are because if we weren't, they would not appear in the Screaming Frog crawl, is likely that the way the site is set up, we are going to have issues with the wrong versions of product pages becoming indexed. And we can check that out, of course, within Google Search Console. Our Screaming Frog crawl tells us that there shouldn't be any indexed product pages with /collections in, because we've tried to canonicalize them. That's nice and easy to check within Google Search Console. So if we go to pages, and then this has been slightly updated since our first videos on Search Console. Now you need to click View Data about indexed pages, and we see our lists of pages that are actually indexed. And if we have a look at some more rows here, I can already see here, top dog harnesses /collections /leads /products. This looks like a product URL to me that's within a collection. So if I open this URL, so it's collections URL, and I have a look by pressing F12 at the developer tools, and I'm going to just do a find for the word canonical, you will see that yes, there is a canonical tag here to a different page. So this is the current page at the top we're on, /collections /leads /products, matching lead, it's just an illusion. However, we're asking Google to not index this page and treat the canonical as just /products /matching lead, it's just an illusion. So this highlights why this internally linking to non-canonical pages will result in problems. Google is indexing the incorrect pages. It may index both pages, in which case we will have duplicate title tag issues because multiple versions of this page may be indexed. But of course, these tools are saying, because we have the canonical tag, that there's no duplicate issue. So this is actually incorrect